driving now. Yeah. Chessie system!
Wow.
Chessie system! What's Chessie doing here? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 3. What? Why is Chessie here though? Why does Chessie system have to come here? Wait, Chessie system went over our track.
Yeah?
Chessie system. This time it really was Chess. See it? They can see the train perfect with the gate. Why does it have to be a hopper train?
It might be different cars when it gets to the back.
You know we can. You know what? Oh, you know that. Oh yeah, this changing. You know that we were on CSX one.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me your horn, Chessie? I like that horn. So that's the bestest horn I've ever heard in my life. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Worth it. Where are those? What are those?
I don't know.
What in the heck are those coal cars? They look like tiny big gondolas. Tiny big gondolas. That's what they look like. They look like a gondola, but bigger and smaller. I mean, bigger than smaller than wide or whatever. It's wide, but it's this
Taller.
yes.
Than a gondola.
Yeah. Gondolas are flat, like a flat colored flats. Look at these. Those are flat cars. I just don't know what kind of flat cars they are. I don't know. KCS. That.
KCS, here
It was the KCS. KCS Holy. The coal cars coming back to town now. There's the end. There's the end.
I gotta go. Gotta go.
Why? Wait! Like and subscribe. I'm out.